How to screen share your Samsung A53 phone using the Smart View feature, and we're going to need Wi-Fi connection for this to work. We're going to connect this to a Windows 10 laptop or perhaps a computer desktop with Wi-Fi capabilities. Now, before we do continue, be sure both of these are connected to the same Wi-Fi router. And if you had your laptop or computer connected to the Wi-Fi for some time now, you may want to go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi and then reconnect it again, because sometimes you may need to do that for it to continue with the screen share or smart view sharing feature. Now, on your A53 phone, first things first, you want to go ahead and get some settings ready. And one of them is be sure that your Bluetooth settings is turned on, and also make sure that the smart view is readily available. So you're going to look for that, and which is this feature right here, the one that has a smart view feature here. If it's not there, you can always use the add button here and look for the quick toggle and then long press it and bring it into your quick panel access. So once you're done with that on your device here now, you'll now go onto the startup menu here to the bottom left of your computer. You'll go to settings, and then you want to go to where it says system right here. So go to system, and once you're in this section here on the left side here, you want to go down to where it says projecting to this PC. And you should see something that says launch the Connect app here. If you don't see that, for some of us, it may say to install a wireless display adapter. Click on that. That'll take you to a window that's going to open up there. And in that window, you're going to search the words wireless display. You'll find it, check it, and then have it installed. And once it's done running, you'll come back here and you'll see the launch the Connect app. And you wanted to have this so that you can use the whole wireless connection feature. And once you're done with that, you'll click on these three drop-down menus. Make sure they say available everywhere for the first time. The second one should say every time a connection is requested. And for the PIN, make sure it says never. Now, there's two ways to connect your device or your Samsung A53. One, you can choose to launch the Connect app from here, and it's going to be like that, readily available. And while it's in this mode here, on your A53 phone, you can now use the quick panel access, look for Smart View. And once you see it, go ahead and long press it, and that'll take you to this here. If it's your first time, you'll get this prompt here, press next, and then continue. And it's gonna start searching for nearby devices. You'll see the name of your computer show up here, and you wanna select that, and then start now, okay? And then you should see this happening here, and it's gonna say ready to connect, and there you go. You should have your device here all set here. You can choose to change the aspect ratio here. You can use this option here to get some more functions there as soon as that shows up here. Okay, so, and you can also use the drop down menu here. Okay, so now if your phone is set to enter into landscape mode, let me just go into the YouTube so I can show you this here quickly. And of course, if you go into landscape mode, it's also going to go into landscape mode. Now, there's another way to connect this device if this method didn't work for you. So before starting the second method, try to go ahead and disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi. And then once you're done with that, you'll go to the bottom right section here where the notification section is. Just select that there. You'll see these set of options, and you're going to look for the connect here. I'll select that one time. You'll see this here. And on your A53 phone here, you'll use the quick panel access here. Once again, go to the smart view. Let's go ahead and long press that. That'll show you that there. And you'll select the name of your computer from here. Go with start now. And if it doesn't show up down there, you'll try it again. Okay, so this may require more than one try. You'll see this here where it says to go ahead and allow this device, which is your phone. You'll see your phone name here. You want to select the drop down menu, go to always, so that the next time you're connecting it, it will do that, and then press OK. And then you'll get this here. And once again, you're back to connecting it, or got it to connect this time around. And that's that. So like, sub, and thanks for watching.